Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3450 or 3400 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network. To scan documents, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left corner. You will see arrow. This is A4 paper. Close the cover. So select Canon Print app. The app is getting ready. And from this app, it will show you the printer TS3450 series online. So the printer is online. We want to scan document. So select scan. Select OK to select the folder. Select OK. Then you select particular folder. Use this folder. Select allow. Then select change settings. Select data format. JPEG is if you want to scan photo. So we want to scan documents. So select PDF. Original type is document. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo. So document is selected. Color mode. Select on the color mode. It gives you option for you to select the color or grayscale. So color is selected. Original size, plating, and A4. So if you have different paper, you scroll down and select particular paper you want to scan with. So A4 is selected. Then go back and select scan. The document is scanning. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan second page, open the glass scanner and replace the paper. So I want us to scan this page. So stick the paper face down. Close the cover. Then select scan to scan the next page. So you can do this as many times as you like. You can continue scanning the document, but I want us to scan only 2 pages. So select exit. File is saved. Then select OK. And these are the documents we scanned, 2-page documents. To print it out or to share this document with somebody, you can share the document via email. You can print it out. So select the share icon. Once you select share icon, you wait. It will show you platforms you can share with: Bluetooth, Gmail, send to PC, OneDrive, quick share, private share, etc. But I want us to print the document, so scroll down to select Canon Print, to print it with Canon Print. Then it will ask you, do you want to use the following printer? Then you select yes. It's processing. Then select next. If you want to print this document all in one go, then you select print all. If you want to print it two-sided, then you need to print out specific page, reload it to the rear paper tray and print it out. So I want to show you how to print all and also how to print specific page. So select all, select OK, then go to settings, change settings. Select number of copies. Select the size as A4, same as original. Media type, plain paper. If you want to print it in color or black and white, I want us to print it in black and white. Select monochrome, two-sided, simplest. Then you select number of copies. If you select number of copies, then you scroll down to type number of copies, so you can print up to 100 pages. So 1 is selected, then go back, then select print. So we're going to print this document all in black and white. We will show you printing is completed, then you select OK. These are documents we printed out in black and white. Now I want to show you how to print these documents in color and also two-sided. So select next, select print current page, then select OK. Select change settings, or you can go back, select next, select page, then select page 1:1 to print only page 1. So 1:1, select change settings, select number of copies, select paper size as A4, same as original, media type, plain paper, color. I want us to print it in color. Two-sided print, simplest. Then go back and select print. So we're going to print out the first page, reload the paper to print the next page. This is the document we printed out. So take the document with the printed area first at the back, then reload it on the rear paper tray, then select OK to confirm the paper as A4. Once you print out the document, it will confirm and say printing is completed, then you select OK. Now I want us to print second page. Select next, select pages, then I want to print page 2 of 2. 2 of 2. For you to print second page, then select OK. Then select change settings, select number of copies, select the size as A4, media type, plain paper, and also color, simplest. Then go back and select print. So we're going to print out the second page. This is the document we printed out two-sided, and also it will show you printing is completed. Then you can go back to the home page, delete the conversation result, then you select yes. Then go back to the home page. This is how to scan documents with this printer to your phone, save it, and also print out the document according to your preference. Thank you very much indeed.